Hey, this is Ojas Rajani, your favorite makeup artist, and yet again we're with SSBeauty, showcasing one of my favorite look with my muse, Sakshi, where I'm going to show you the au natural dewy skin makeup, which all of you have asked for, and which is highly trending, and my signature look from the past 35 years. Stay tuned, don't you go nowhere. Skin prep is something very interesting where we kind of layer the skin with loads of products. You can use something like the charged water or the setting spray by my favorite Smashbox, or our very own M.A.C Fix and Mist, which is really nice. So first what you do is use a lot of setting spray because that really helps the hydration stay in place. Do not be stingy, like I repeat, do not be stingy. When your skin is really hydrated, that's when you pick up either a serum or an under eye cream. So here I have the lovely M.A.C Hyper Under Eye Cream and the Skin Canvas Balm. They really work beautifully as a duo. So I'm going to take a little on my palm. Usually under eyes are a problem always because lack of hydration, hectic lifestyle, stress, it immediately shows on your face. Then again, I take a lot of religious amount of the Skin Canvas Balm. And like you see, the dewiness is actually reflecting already, especially on the high point areas. I take a pump of the Dramatically Different Moisturizer and the Moisture Surge. Scoop it out. Warm it up in your hand. The trick is to always warm it up in your hand because that really gives a beautiful finesse. There you go, our bride already looking radiant and glowing. Now's the time to get some correcting and concealing done. Since we're going all out with the radiance, I have the Perfect Radiance by NARS. I just take a speck of it and it has a lovely moon dust effect. To further amplify my glow as well as to have the perfect contoured face, you need to layer it with a lovely shade called Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee again works on the pink undertone or a beigeish undertone, and the trick is to take a flat brush like this and just tap. It's wedding season, all you brides to be want to look flushed, and for that again we take a pink undertone, my favorite concealer called Toffee and Biscuit. Again, if you see, Biscuit has a lovely pink undertone, whereas a beige undertone in Toffee. So again, I love to mix. If you notice, I love mixing shades because they bring out the best. Now, if you compare this under eye to the other under eye, you actually feel this has been set so beautifully that there is no puffiness and the shade is so, even and smooth out. Since we're talking about the bridal glow, what better than the NARS Punjab and the lovely YSL foundation with shade number 5. I think both of them together, Hindi mein bolte hain, Sone Pe Suhaga. It really gives a lovely, intense, dewy glow. And that's just not it. Again, I'm going to show you another trick. So I'm taking just a drop of both the foundations, very stingily. You don't have to put intense product. Again, I'm going to use the M.A.C Serum, or you can use any other serum which you may have in hand. Isse kya hota hai, the product gets diluted and also it beautifully blends into the skin. Again, I'm taking a stippling brush, and if you see, I've done the whole mixture on a tray. And now again, if you see, I'm tapping. Now, can you see the high points of the face where the light is catching? The skin looks beautifully sultry and gorgeous. Yet again, we're going to take one of my favorite brands, Laura Mercier, where you're seeing me using 2 shades. Why am I using 2 shades again is, if you see, come close to me and you see I have a lovely pink undertone powder and I have a beige undertone powder. I've always used 2-3 products as a mixture, but what my key tone has been is a pink undertone because I love a rosy undertone, be it a Bollywood actress, be it a bride, or be it myself. So when I create magic using 2 shades, the pink again takes care of any unevenness under the eye or the upper lip. Again, if you see, I'm just stippling it under the eyes. So what happens, the minute your forehead, the tip of your nose, the upper lip is matte, and then your cheekbones are glossy, actually illuminates the face and make it look beautifully from within. Since it's a bridal look, we're going to only have a little bit of flush, so I'm using the Orgasm Liquid Blush. Again, I love to create magic with my fingers. So again, I'm just tapping it and pushing it on the skin. So like I promised you, NARS has the matching Orgasm shade in a powder form, where again, I'm going to just tap. Since it's wedding season and we're doing a bridal look, it's all about shimmer, shine, sparkle. So I have this stunning M.A.C eyeshadow palette, which is really great. It has matte as well as shimmer. Just a little product, and you just again tap and blend. So I think the trick is always tap, blend, tap, blend. Then I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to try and use even a blusher palette. I remember one of the girls the other day said, oh, how come this is a blush palette? But you can use your own imagination, use a blush palette for the brow bone rounding, whatever works for you, because I love this pink color. I think it's really electrifying, and it's my mood board. To further make the eyes doe-eyed and look beautiful, I'm going to take a little shimmery beige tone in the inner corner of the eyes. And there you go, boom. There's perfection on both sides. There's perfect symmetry on both sides, if you see. We all want to know how do the eyes look bigger. So if you see our actresses, our very own Katrina Kaif always has a lovely pearly finish in her eye. So I'm using this lovely pearly tone pencil called Ablaze by NARS. The trick is again to put it in the waterline. You can also slightly bring it out because it really opens up the eye. And there you go, boom, your eyes look nice and fresh and dewy. That's just not it. I'm also going to take a bit of a powder eyeshadow by my favorite Givenchy. I'm going to just dip in a little bit of my pencil brush, which actually looks like a pencil. And there's a lovely smoky brown shimmer eyeshadow, which I'm going to mix. And again, just tap. So whatever you do, if you've noticed, whether I do eye makeup, whether I do the under eye or the skin, I always polish every step because that gives you a beautiful finesse. And I just dust out any excess, whichever I feel may be there. Smile. Last but the least, we all love mascara. And I'm going to use this stunning YSL mascara. The packaging is so beautiful. Imagine the brush is so lovely. The pinpoint of the brush and the excess volume actually gives you such a beautiful angle, such a beautiful effect that you actually don't need false lashes. So here we're going to fake it. Just make sure that you take the eyes in the outer corner, pinch the curler on the lashes, not the skin, and count 20 in your head. So again, we go for a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we create magic with our curler, and again you see me tapping. I do not swiggle the brush. I always love to tap because I think that gives me the proper product in the proper direction. And look at this, just one coat is giving me the lovely false lash effect. For the perfect arched brows, we have the lovely brow pencil, which is 2-in-1 by my favorite brand, Benefit. I think the shades are by far really nice, and they actually come very close to your real hair. It's a push-on pencil, so you don't waste sharpening and wasting your pencil. So Benefit all the way. The most overpowering feature of the face after the eyes is the lift. And I think the perfect powder is what brings in the lips really look nice. I have my universal color by M.A.C called Spice, which goes with any kind of skin tone, be it cool tone, warm tone, dusky tone, sultry tone, or a very fair tone. So here we go, Spice all the way. So I'm creating a semicircle on the lower lip and creating like a peak on the upper lip in a V form, and just follow the lip line and fill it in. That's just not it. I'm going to mix two of my favorite M.A.C colors, which is Meher and Please Me. The color and the name sounds really nice. Please Me is a stunning color loved by everybody worldwide. And I think one is a pink undertone, one is a cool undertone. So I'm going to again mix both of them in a very soft pout. Then we're done with the perfect pout, but don't you go nowhere. We're going to reveal the final look really soon. Stay tuned. Yet again, we've completed one more stunning look, and this is the dewy skin, gorgeous Korean glass finish bridal look, my signature Ojas Rajani bride. I hope you love it, like as much she loves it and I love it. I think we've given you the whole gist of all the products. I'm sure you'd love it. Any questions, feel free to write to us and we shall be back with a lot more tutorials. Love you and thanks for being a wonderful audience. Good luck. God bless.